Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good and working very hard. So, today we will solve another problem from book Irodo from the first chapter kinematics, and the question number is 1.9. So, without wasting any more time, let's move on to question. Let's read question and comprehend it. That's the first step of solving any physics problem, and that is really important. So, let's read the question. A boat moves relative to water with velocity which is two times less than the velocity of river. Okay, so let's say velocity of boat with respect to water or river is denoted by VBW. This is what velocity of boat with respect to water. That means with respect to water, this boat can swim. The velocity with which the boat can swim is VBW, right? You all know this. Sometimes we call it velocity of boat in still water. Like if water is not running, it is still, then whatever velocity with which you can move on water is velocity of boat with respect to water. Okay, fine. And let's say velocity of water is VW. So we will use these notations. Now they have said that velocity of boat with respect to water is less than, that is obviously less than velocity of water, right? And the relation is velocity of boat with respect to water is actually velocity of water by 2. So let's draw a diagram. Suppose this is a river, this is one bank, and this is another bank of river. I will make it short, we don't need this much length. Okay, fine. So how we want to go, at what angle to the stream direction must the boat move to minimize drift, right? Minimize drifting. Okay, fine. So they want that in which direction. Let's say this line, let me draw it for you. This is line across the river, right? And this is the point. From here boat has started moving. Now suppose if he wants to minimize the drift, then obviously he will try to move in some this direction. We don't know at what angle, but let's say this angle is theta, and the boat will try to steer himself in this direction, but will it be able to reach in this direction? No, no, because there is a river current also in this direction, VW, and we all must know that velocity of boat as seen from ground will be equal to velocity of boat with respect to water plus velocity of water. So it will always be the resultant of velocity of boat as seen from the ground will always be the resultant of velocity of boat with respect to water plus velocity of water, right? And it is not new thing. It is written velocity of boat with respect to water is equal to velocity of boat minus velocity of water. It is just relative velocity. So and every time the boat velocity will be resultant of this, means this vector plus this vector. Let's say this is velocity of water, and they have said this is 2 times, so let me draw it double twice, because length of the arrow represent the magnitude of the vector, so it must be like this, and the resultant will be in this direction. Let me draw the resultant for you. This is the resultant, right? This is what a person will see from the ground, sitting on the ground, that finally boat is going in this direction, right? So whatever whatever displacement of the boat happened in the direction of the flow of water is called drift. We all very well know it. What is drift? Displacement in the direction of flow of water. We call it drift, and we have to minimize drift. Now let's find this drift in terms of theta. Actually, in question we are not asked this theta. We are asked theta plus 90, because with respect to the river current, what is angle made by the? So obviously angle will be obtuse. We will see. We will see. So let's derive the formula. Fine. First, I will resolve it. Like this is VBW. So let's resolve VBW first. I think the component of VBW in this direction will be VBW sine theta, and in this direction it will be VBW cos theta, right? And this VW vector can come here. Like, let me draw one diagram for you only, so that you can understand better. I am drawing component of VBW in this direction, that will be VBW sine theta, and in this direction the component is VBW cos theta, right? And the velocity of boat will be resultant of this two. So I have already resolved this vector in two perpendicular direction. Now this is along the river, so let's draw it here. So this is VW, and if we resolve all this vector, solve all this vector, then we will get in the direction of flow, net velocity will be VW minus VBW sine theta, and in this direction we will get VBW cos theta, right? So finally this will be the resultant which we got, that VB. But now obviously we don't need this. We know that, let's say this direction is x, and let's say this is y, this is x, this is y. So along x, or along the direction of the flow of the river, we have this velocity. Whatever drift will happen only because of this component of velocity, right? If this component is there, then obviously there will be some drift, and this component of velocity will be responsible for crossing the river. Suppose the width of the river is w, width of the river is w, so time of crossing will be w divided by the velocity in the direction perpendicular to the flow of the river, right? So I will write that will be VBW cos theta. And if we wish to write drift, so drift will be drift d is equal to, this velocity is velocity of boat in x direction actually, right? And this velocity is velocity of boat in y direction. So that will be, drift will be velocity of boat in x direction into time. Velocity of boat in x direction we can write VW minus VBW sine theta into we can write time is w divided by VBW cos theta. Now let me solve it fastly now, because this is the main stage which we have reached. Now there is only calculation, so let me resolve it fast. VW minus, it is VBW, and if I multiply cos theta and take, and let's take to the numerator, it will, we will get sec theta, minus VBW will be cancelled, and we will get tan theta only, and on the outside there is w, that's constant. This is drift. Now we can see that drift is depending on theta, so let's differentiate d theta by d capital D by d theta, because we know that drift will be maximum or minimum only when d theta by d capital D by d theta will be 0. So let's differentiate, and we will get VW divided by VBW sin sec theta. What is the differentiation of sec theta? Sec theta differentiation sec theta into tan theta. So sec theta into tan theta. And what is the differentiation of tan theta? That is sec square theta is equal to 0, right? Now let's solve this fast. What are we getting here? 1 sec theta is cancel, and this is sin theta by cos theta, and here also 1 sec theta is there, so 1 by cos theta. So I think if we solve this, we will get sin theta is equal to v sin theta is equal to vbw by vw. That's it. And we know that this is half, because velocity of boat with respect to water is given half of velocity of the current water. So here we have got theta is equal to 30 degree, and the answer must be theta plus 90, because they have asked in what direction with respect to the direction of the flow of the current actually. So that is 120 degree with the direction of the current. This is one way of solving this problem. So students, there can be other methods of solving this question also, but if you have understood this method well, then it's really good. You must practice this after seeing this video also, because apart from understanding concept, you must by heart the methods and the tricks. And for methods and tricks only, solving this book becomes very important if you want to achieve higher rank, very good rank. Okay students, so we will meet in next video with a new problem. Okay students, happy learning.